In this video, you watch a segment taken from a much larger presentation where Patrick Mullamatter speaks about creating webinars, how to use them to get your message out, and how to monetize them for your business. Listen to Patrick explain what is a webinar. If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it.
So first, what is a webinar? A webinar is like an event. Instead of all be in the same room, everybody is watching from where he wants. From home, as a group in a conference room, from a hammock on the beach. Even the speakers can be in different locations. Let me explain. You use an app like zoom.com, for example. There's plenty of information on their website how to run successful webinars using the app and user manuals. The app is completely free for webinar of maximum 40 minutes with maximum 100 users. Then you have different paid plans where you can run huge seminar with thousands of participants, different hosts, different speakers, each one in a different location, like you could do in a big university, or if you need to run an international seminar forum.
If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.